Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, special welcome to you. If you are an OG, welcome back, welcome back. So today guys, I'm doing another crochet braid video. Today I am actually doing a natural texture crochet here, which is the kinky curly look. Yes, it looks very much like natural hair texture. If you have a natural kinky curly texture, then it might just look something like today's look. Now the hair that I'm using is the Freetress Boho Kinky Junior, one of my all-time favorite kinky curly afro looking hair texture. And guys, I'm just doing a regular braid pattern. It's the most basic braid pattern ever. Not doing anything fancy for today because there is no intention to wear this style any other way other than down. Yeah, so when that's the case, you just do your regular braid backs and you are good to go. Merge each of the braids one into the other. And so at the end of the day, when you are done with the braiding, you don't have to worry about different pieces of hair to tuck away. You're just going to end up with one piece of hair, one tail, one braid. And once you get that one braid braided all the way to the end, which is the braid that I'm working on now, once you braid that one braid all the way to the end, then the only challenge that you will have is to try to disguise it by tucking it underneath the braids. So I'm using my crochet tool just to weave it in and out, through and through the braids, so that I do not have to sew it down. Some people do sew it down. I do not, because I don't think it's necessary. I'm going in with my One True Natural Shine of Mine Nourishing Oil Blend, which is from my own brand. Shout out, shameless plug. Yes, and I'm just using it to make sure that her hair and her scalp is properly nourished and hydrated pre-installation. This is the hair Freetress Boho Kinky Junior. This is what it looks like out of the pack. Guys, the hair is amazing. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm starting off by using one piece at a time. The hair is already pre-separated. In this case, I am using two pieces just to test. This is one piece. So I alternate between using two and one depending on the size of the piece or depending on the area that I'm trying to cover. You can decide if you want to use one at a time. You can use two or up to three pieces together if you want to, get a bigger volume, or if you want to cover a wider area quicker, then you can use more pieces. But I'm just using two for the most part, or in some cases, one. All right, so I am at the top. This is just a quick short video. Yes, literally just a show and tell. And I'm just showing you guys the outcome of the look. Now I'm at the parting where I'm trying to do my invisible part. Once I insert the crochet tool, attach the hair, close the latch hook, pull it through. Then the only difference is that instead of bringing both pieces of hair through, I am pulling only one. And by one, I'm meaning two, because I did double this one. So it's four pieces. So instead of pulling all four pieces through, I'll pull only two. And then the other two that remains is what will fall over the braid to cover it, to give it that individual, or not individual, that invisible or knotless look. So you won't be seeing a knot at all. So I'm just using a small piece of hair on either side to just secure the hair. Make sure it's well knotted so it will not remove, will not be moved. Inserting my crochet tool again. And I am going to go ahead and just attach two pieces of the crochet hair to the latch hook. Close the latch hook, pull it through. Yes. So you will now have four pieces. I'm only pulling two through the loop, and I'm going to twist the loop and pull it through again, just to ensure that the hair is well secured before you make that knot. All right, so now I'm pinching off a piece from either side, small piece, and just make a double knot with those two small pieces, and then I'm flipping over the other side. And that's how you create your invisible part. And guys, just like that, we are all done. I'm just using my scissors just to trim up the ends, nothing major, no fancy professional cutting necessary. We're just getting rid of the straggly ends so that the hair looks, nice and clean. Yeah, give it a clean cut at the ends. And then we are going to go right into the demonstration. So this is the parting, guys. That's what I was demonstrating by the invisible or the knotless part. And this is how the hair looks really, really, really nice. This was literally only 3 packs of hair. All right, and 3 packs goes a long way because this is a full head of hair, and the texture is amazing. This is how it looks from the front. Okay guys, so this is today's offering. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave the link down below in case you want to order the hair. Hit the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed, and we will talk on the next one. Bye.